Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today I have this Arabic Smoky Rose Gold eye makeup look for you. I'm starting off by using the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, and I'm taking the shade Feels first. And I'm just using a fluffy blending brush and I'm applying this into my crease. This is going to be our transition colour. We are going to apply another colour in our crease as well, so make sure this first colour is well blended in. Now taking the shade Bing and applying this in the crease as well. This is just going to go under the first shade that we applied, and this will define the crease even more. Now taking the shade Devilish and applying this in the outer part of the eye, and I'm just using circle motions and then swiping it up along the tape. Now taking the shade Privacy, I'm applying this in the outer part as well, just a small amount just to make the outer part a bit more darker. Now taking the shade Bang Bang and applying this on the lid using a flat shader brush. Now taking the shade Turn On and applying this as my highlight in the inner corner of my eyes. Taking the Maybelline Gel EyeLiner, I'm starting off by creating my wing. So I'm creating a straight line across the tape and then just another one above it. This will create a triangle shape. Then I'm just going to fill this in and then create a straight line across the lash line, joining the two lines together and neatening everything up. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye as well. I'm going to line my waterline with some Khol pencil. This is by Rimmel. And I'm taking that Privacy shade again and I'm smudging it along the lower lash line into the Khol pencil. For this look, I'm going to apply some eyelashes. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies, and then I'm just going to apply some mascara just to blend the natural lashes with the false lashes together. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!